They're using the Waste 1 talk group on the Hamton P25 system. They're talking about salt and mercury all the way starting at Todd's Lane, which is where we're at down here. So they do use salt out there. Everybody says they don't here, but I heard them talking about it. Maybe because the roads are really bad, right? And they're going to be really bad. It's going down to 20 tonight, and they're all wet and slushy, so it's going to turn into ice. But they don't plow the side roads here. Just the main drag. Let's keep scanning. They're also on the snow removal talk group. I'm also scanning the Virginia State Police. I'm scanning Hamton.
I'm going to be on scene for a while.
Hamton P25 and Virginia State Police.
Turn around. That was our turnaround back there. Remember, I'll push right back to the light again. Cover that other side. Let's get this thing turned around.
That's the plows right there. These guys will be working all night.
No, it's my fault. I take blame. Rick, he's going to go up that ambulance ramp by the hospital right off Hamton VA Center Parkway. And when you see him turn his salt on, you just turn your salt on right behind him. We're not going to scrape it.
Mosquito snow removal talk group 344.
It was already scraped when I went through a minute ago. A pumping station 005 at the end of Central Street. Person is saying that there is a sewage overflow. Turn everything wide open.
This is Power Plant Park.
I got everything wide open.
This is Power Plant Parkway. And
Well, you roll across this bridge. Let's make sure we get plenty on the step.
yeah, the roads look pretty good actually. They're flowing pretty good. This is live
17 and available for calls.
live webcam.
Where you?
I can look at any road in the Hampton Roads area. Look, these are all the cams.
We can clear it. MOA, please.
All the cams. All you gotta do is zoom in.
Fill up the whole intersection on the way back, because we're going to go back anyway, and then we'll get them the tops off or whatever.
Here's one on Mercury Boulevard right here. Mercury and Coliseum Drive. Then you go full screen. That's live. Live real time. So you use the scanner and then you look at these live webcams. Real time stuff. Traffic's moving pretty good out there. Those guys must be plowing really helping, I guess. Mercury at Armistead.
What is wrong with you?
I programmed that snow removal talk group in there this summer. It's talk group 352. Have yet to hear it used until tonight. They're using the waste talk groups too.
Alright, I'll meet you inside. Up here. I'll meet you inside. Yep.
Be surprised what you can learn with a scanner and some local webcams. Look at that. Traffic's moving good. Of course, those plows have been out there working. This will be right before the bridge tunnel on I-64. I-64 is moving pretty good.
Alright, taking a right on Mercury, and then what street you want me to turn on?
This is the main talk group, the plow.
Take a left on Power Plant. We need to make it over to Pembroke and Briarfield Road and get all that on that side. Once we get Briarfield Road done, and from Pembroke all the way to Newport line to Briarfield, then we can pick up Big Bethel on that end and work out towards Yorktown.
Alright, clear on. When you approach Briarfield, you want me to take the left, or you want to take the right and then work our way back?
No, what I want you to do is take a left on Power Plant and pick up Queen Street back to Pembroke Avenue. Take a left, go right back by Power Plant, take that left, and we're going to work all the way back to Pembroke Avenue, turn around, and then come back the other way. We're going to eat some dinner here shortly.
Alright, clear.
They're out there working.
You want us to keep our stuff going to the hotel? No, we're going to cut off right here. Y'all been running it. You go ahead, everybody cut the salt off. Y'all been running it all the way through here, right?
See, they're using salt.
Yep.
I bought 2 of these weather stations. One I have in the bedroom, one here, same remote outside, because all it is a radio frequency. And I kept the other remote, put it away, got them both running on the same frequency, so I got 2 units to monitor it, one in the bedroom, one here. I use that as my bedroom clock now. I love that thing, so I can look over at night, know what time it is, know what it's doing outside, know what the temperature is outside, the humidity, the trend, and inside too. With just one look. And it's also an atomic clock. It sets itself once every 24 hours. We're clear.